Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save snaps from your memories, like pictures that you've taken before, and you just want to save them to your gallery. So click on the photo icon next to the button where you take pictures. And then, for instance, I want to save this one to my gallery. So what I can do is press the three dots at the top of the picture over here and press export snap. And then you are just going to press download. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching.